Yes, guys. Good evening, all. So, welcome to Raj Informatica. Before starting my session, so as I told you, please go through my YouTube channel. Please go to my YouTube. This is my YouTube channel. So, in this YouTube channel, so this is my YouTube channel. You can search Raj Informatica YouTube channel. So you will get it. So in this YouTube channel, there are many PowerCenter, Unix, Oracle, IICS videos are available. Please like them, comment them, and also please subscribe it. Okay. So please subscribe Raj Informatica, and also browse rajinformatica.com. So this is my website. This is rajinformatica.com. So in this, there are many useful materials available and many useful interview questions available. So make use of them. Now let's start the session. Today is our second session, evening batch. Second session, evening, 21st batch. So everyone attended the last session. Did you understand the last session? In the last session, we have seen what is ETL, what is data, how the data stored, what is database, where database will be, what are the different types of databases, and how we will use Informatica in business. That is what we have seen in the last session. So to continue to the today's session, as I told you, so we are learning a tool called Informatica PowerCenter, that is ETL tool. Yes, please. So we will extract the data from database, modify and load it to data warehouse or database. So we will extract the database, that we will call it as a source database. Whatever we will load it, that we will call it as a target. So we will extract the data from source database, transform or modify, load it to target database or data warehouse. Yes, guys, that is what we have discussed in the last session. Yes, please. This is what we have discussed in the last session, please. Everyone, you can please reply to my chat whenever I ask any question. So please reply to my chat, whether yes or no. Please reply to my chat. So make the session interactive. Okay. Now, for example, I want to create a table. If you want to create a table, what you should do? If you want to create a table, first you should use a database software. You should use a database software. Yes, please. So what is the database software? Either we will use Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL, Greenplum, Teradata, Snowflake, Database, DB2. So these are all the different database softwares. You should install any one database first. Okay. Understood? If you want to create any table, what you have to do? You have to create any one of the database in your system. Yes, please. So everyone, I have given three softwares. I have given three softwares to you. First one, Oracle software. Did you install Oracle software? Everyone, did you install Oracle software? And I have given Oracle SQL Developer. I have given. Did you install Oracle SQL Developer? Also, I have given Informatica server and client. Did you install all of them, please? If you don't install, please install as soon as possible. If you do not install, please install as soon as possible. Okay? Yes, please. Now, today, we are discussing mainly about Oracle. To work with Informatica, if you want to work with Informatica, you have to work with, or you should know Oracle first. What you should know? You should know Oracle first. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? So if you want to understand, or if you wanted to work on ETL tool, you must learn Oracle at least. You must learn Oracle database at least. Okay. Now, so why we will use Oracle database? Why we will use Oracle database? What is the use? Why we will use Oracle database? Anyone please? Why we should install Oracle database? To create the tables. Yes. To create the tables or to store the data in the format of tables, we should use Oracle. Now, Oracle is a database software. Oracle is a database software. Okay. Now, in Oracle, there are two parts. In Oracle, there are two parts, SQL, PLSQL. What are the two parts? We have two parts in Oracle database. That is SQL, PLSQL. Yes, please. What is SQL? SQL is structured query language. There are two parts in Oracle. One is SQL, another one is PLSQL. SQL means structured query language. PLSQL means procedural language, structured query language. Yes, please. So there are two parts in Oracle. To work with Informatica, you must learn about Oracle SQL first. What you have to do? You must learn Oracle SQL if you wanted to work with Informatica. PLSQL, that is optional. If you want to learn, if you don't learn, that's not a problem. But you must learn SQL. Understanding, guys? Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? So now we will see what is SQL. We will see what is SQL. Okay. So before coming to SQL, normally a database software, if you see the database software, yes, please. So we install Oracle. Now, what exactly Oracle is? What exactly Oracle is? If you see here, a database. Suppose, for example, you see this is a database. For example, the black box is a database. Database is a collection of schemas. What is database? Database is a collection of schemas. Yes, please. And schema is a collection of database objects like tables. Directly, you cannot create a table in database. If you want to create a table, you need to create a schema first. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? So a database is a collection of schema. Each schema contains different database objects like tables. Now, so what is a database? Database is a collection of schema. What is schema? Schema is collection of database objects like views, tables, synonyms. And what is a table? Table is a collection of data in the form of rows and columns. So now what is our first step? We need to create a schema. We need to create a schema first. If you want to create a table, before you create the tables, you should create a schema. Now, how to work with Oracle? How to work with Oracle? You have to open Oracle SQL Developer. What do you have to open? First, you have to open SQL Developer. Are you seeing SQL Developer here? Open this. Once you open SQL Developer, it will launch. Please observe carefully. Now, SQL Developer will launch now. So it will launch. This is SQL Developer. So whatever you do in Oracle, you have to do in this window. Understanding? Everyone, are you clear, please? Whatever you do on, suppose you want to create a table, you want to insert the records into a table, you want to delete a table, you want to update a table, where you have to do in real time also, you have to open Oracle SQL Developer. Now, this bar is called, the first line is called title bar. This is menu bar. These are the toolbars. Left side window is called navigation window. Right side window is called workspace window. Okay. Now you are seeing in the left side, correct? Info DOM. You are seeing in the left side. What you are seeing? You are seeing info DOM, info repo, OTSRC dev1, and sys. These are all the schemas already present in my system. In your system, you have only sys schema, correct? Do you have schema in your system? Do you have schema in your system, please? Everyone? Yes, guys. So, guys, please note it one thing. While I am saying the session, you should not do parallelly with me. What you have to do, take a calm room, lock your room, put your mobile in silent mode, and watch the session in laptop. You should not write anything. You should not open any window while I am doing. You should not do parallelly with me in your system. What you have to do? You have to observe, listen, and understand what I am doing. Once the session is over, you have to practice after the session. You should not practice when I am saying. Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? If you do parallelly with me, you will lose something and you will not understand anything. So just listen carefully, listen with concentration, and understand what I am saying, please. Okay. Now, first thing you have to do is you have to create a schema. So we have info depot, info DOM and info depot already there in our system. That is fine. Now we need to create a schema first. How to create a schema? So you can create any schema with any name, but I am giving a name, called OTSRC Dev 2. Now we need to create a schema. What we have to do? We need to create a schema called OTSRC Dev 2. To create a schema, what we should do? We should click on plus, click on sys, click on plus. When you click on plus before sys means system schema. This is given by Oracle. Now, if you want to create any schema, you have to go to sys. Now, a window is opened with sys. A workspace window is opened with sys. Yes, guys? Yes or no, please? Now, you need to write the command now. You have to write a command to create a schema. How to create a schema? You need to write the command. Create user means schema, create user schema name. OT, you can give any name. I am giving a meaningful name called OTSRC Dev 2, identified by, okay, identified by, you have to write like this only. Create username, identified by password, Understanding, everyone, please? Create user schema name identified by password. My password is admin. You can give any password, but I given the password called admin. You can give any schema name, any password, and give a semicolon at last. Give a semicolon at last. Then create. After that, grant all privileges to schema name. Next, grant DBA to schema name. This is how you need to create a schema. The first line represents it will create schema. The next two lines represents you are giving necessary permissions. You are giving all permissions to create a schema or the table. Understanding, everyone, please? Are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone, are you clear? Yes, guys. Everyone, are you clear, guys? Did you understand? So first write it. Create user schema name. Create user schema name. Yes, guys. Create user schema name identified by password. Grant all privileges to schema name. Grant DBA to schema name. First line represents it will create a schema. The next two lines, DBA means database administrator. Give all the privileges. Give all the privileges to give what? All the privileges to the schema. All the permissions to schema. Each line will be ended with semicolon. Each line will be ended with a semicolon. Now what you have to do? Just select all these things. Are you seeing green? Are you seeing green run button here? Are you seeing green triangle? Everyone, are you seeing green triangle, please? So take this and create, execute it, click on this. So now if you see down, OTSRC Dev 2 is created, grant succeed. So now our schema is created. Did you understand, please? How to create a schema? Did you understand how to create a schema? Everyone, please. Are you clear, guys? Understood, everyone, how to create a schema? Once you create a schema, you need to, are you seeing OTSRC Dev 2? Are you seeing in the left side OTSRC Dev 2? Are you able to see? In the navigation window, are you able to see? No. You need to configure. What we have to do now? Once we create a schema, first, how to create a schema. This is how you need to create a schema. Next one is configure the schema. How to configure the schema? Click on plus. Once. Are you seeing green plus button here? Are you seeing green plus button, please? Yes, please. See, while I am saying, you should listen carefully, please. If you are watching your mobile, if you are speaking with anyone, if you are watching TV and watching the session, there is no use, please. So to understand better, what you have to do, you have to listen carefully, please. Listen with concentration. Then only you will understand. So now we created the schema. Next step is we need to configure the schema. How to configure the schema? Click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, it is asking name, username, password. Name will be any name you can give, but I am giving my schema name, OT. Always give the schema name here to better understanding. OT, SRC, Dev2. And username also schema name, password. Whatever the password you given here, the same password you have to give here and click on save password. Understood? Whatever the case, you are giving small case admin, the same case you have to write here and then test. Once you test, it will show success. Then connect. So now is OTSRC Dev 2 connected? Is OTSRC Dev 2 connected, please? Everyone, are you clear, please? Understanding? Yes, guys. If you don't install Oracle after class, you can install. Don't worry. Just listen the class now. Just try to understand the class now. Suppose when it is connected, automatically a window will open with OTSRC Dev 2. Automatically a window open. Suppose this window is closed. How to open a new window? For OTSRC Dev 2 schema, right click on it. Yes, please. Right click on it and click on Open SQL Worksheet. Click on Open SQL Worksheet. If connection test is failed, you have to start the services. That I will tell later. First, concentrate on the session, please. Now in this, you can create the tables. Okay. Now my schema is created. So this is a database. Database is a collection of schema. These are the different schemas, correct? These are all the different schemas. Yes or no, please? Are these different schemas? Database is a collection of schemas. Now, if you click on this plus button, OTSRC Dev 2, we have all these things, tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures, functions. These are all called database objects. A database is a collection of schema. A schema is a collection of database objects like tables, views, synonyms. Okay. So what is schema? Schema is collection of tables. Now you can create the tables now. You are ready to create the tables now. You can create the tables. Understanding, everyone, please? Are you clear? So we have created the schema. Once we created the schema, what is the next step is? The next step is you can create the schema. Sorry, you can create a table now. How to create a table? First, decide which table you want to create. What you have to do? First, decide which table you want to create. For example, please try to understand here. Now, you see here, please. If you see here, my table name will be students. My table name will be students. So a table is a collection of rows and columns. What is a table? A table is a collection of rows and columns, correct? Is the table is collection of rows and columns. Now, what I want to create 5 columns. What are the column names? I want to create a table name called students, and I want to create 5 columns: student ID, student name, marks, city, state. This is what I want to create. This is what I want to create. So now what I should do now? Okay, I should create a table first. Okay, now, for example, in the student ID, I'll give student ID 10, student name Raj, student marks 100, city Bangalore, state Karnataka, and I will insert one more record 20, Ram 200, 20, Ram 200. Yes, please. 200. Yes, guys. Next, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Yes, please. 30, Ramya. Okay, 300. 30, Ramya, 300. Hyderabad, TS. Next, 40, Divya. Yes, please. 400, Mumbai, MH. Like this, I want to create a table with 5 columns and 3 rows and 4 rows. How many rows are there? There are 4 records and 5 columns. Yes or no, please? Correct, guys? I have 4 records and 5 columns. Are you clear, please, everyone? I have 4 records and 5 columns. Now, before you create a table, you have to identify what kind of data you are inserting. See, student ID should consist only numbers, correct? Student ID should consist only numbers. Student name should consist text or string, correct? Student name should have only text or string. Marks should have numbers. City also should have text and string. State also should have text and string. So you have to decide before creating a table what you have to decide. You have to decide which data you will insert in each column. Student ID should contain only numbers. Student name should contain only characters, also called text, also called string. Marks contain string means characters. Collection of characters is called a string. Collection of characters is called a text. Yes, please. Now, numbers. Student marks should contain only numbers. City should contain text or string. State should contain text or string. Now, what you have to do in Oracle, we have data types. You have to define the data types. Now, if you see how many digits I want in student ID, maximum how many digits I need? I need 3 digits. So you should give number of 3. The data type you should give what? Number of 3. Understanding, everyone, please? For student ID, I will give what is number of 3 means. It will allow any number between 0 to 999, correct? It will allow, if you give number of 3 for student ID, it will allow any number from 0 to 999. From 0 digit to, from 0 to 999, any number you can insert in this. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone, please? Are you clear, guys? Everyone able to understand, please? So I will give the data type number. For string, we have a data type called varchar2. We have a data type in Oracle. What is data type means? What kind of data we will insert into that column? That is called data type. Okay. Now we have a data type called varchar2, variable character varchar2. Suppose I want 50 characters. So varchar2 50 means it will allow from 0 to 50 characters. Student name you can write, you can insert 0 to 50 characters. Numbers, student marks, I will give 4 digit. Yes, please. So number of 4 means it will allow from 0 to 9999. Yes, guys. Understanding everyone, please. Are you clear? And city will be varchar 250. I will give again. And state will be varchar 250. This is how I want to. Varchar 2 means it will allow characters. It will allow characters. Varchar 2 means it will allow 50 characters. This will allow 50 characters. This will allow 50 characters. Now, based on this, we need to write a create table statement. Yes, please. We need to write a create table statement. Understanding? Yes, guys. Are you clear, guys? Now, before you writing a create table statement, you need to know what are the basic commands. What are the basic commands in Oracle? What are the basic SQL commands in Oracle? What are the basic SQL commands in Oracle? We have DDL commands, DML commands, DCL commands, and DQL commands. Okay. We have 4 types of basic Oracle commands available. DDL means data definition language. DML means data manipulation language. TCL means transaction control language. DQL means data query language. Yes, guys. Understanding everyone, please. There are 4 types of basic commands available in Oracle. What are those? DDL, data definition language. DML, data manipulation language. TCL, transaction control language. DQL, data query language. Under DDL commands, we will get create, alter, drop, rename, truncate. Under DML, insert, update, delete. Under TCL, commit, rollback. Under DQL, select. We will see one by one all these things. So you want to do table operations. If you want to do the table operations in Oracle, you must learn these commands first. Are you clear, please? Understanding everyone? Are you clear, guys? What are the basic commands? I will tell you in deep about these commands. Now, our first step, we already created a schema. We already created a schema and configured the schema, correct? We created a schema and we configured the schema. Now you need to create a table. How to create a table? You need to write create table statement. You are write like this, create table, open and close the brackets and write the column names, student ID, data type, size, student ID, number of 3. Yes, guys. Student ID, number of 3 in the brackets, comma. Next, student name, space. You have to give a space after student name. Varchar to 50. Varchar to 50. Yes, please. Comma. Next, student marks. Student marks, number of 4. Yes, please. Student marks, number of 4. Next, city. Varchar to. Next one is what? City. Varchar to 50. Next, state. Varchar to 50. This is how you need to create the table. How to create a table? Sorry, create table, table name. You have to write the table name. Create table, table name. Create table, students. Open and close the brackets with a semicolon. Open and close the brackets with semicolon. Student ID, space, number of 3. Student ID is a column name. Number is a data type. 3 is size. Okay. Student name, Varchar to 50. Student marks, number of 4. City, Varchar to 50. State, Varchar to 50. Yes, please. This is how you need to write a create table statement. Did you understand, guys, everyone? How to write a create table statement? Did you understand, please? Everyone, how to write a create table statement? Yes, guys. So now what you have to do, select this and execute. Now see please, is the table students created? So this left side window is called navigation window. The right side window is called workspace window. The downside window is called output window. The downside window is called output window. Understanding everyone, please? So now table students created. But in the left side, still under tables, see please, what I will do. You can disconnect and connect. Right click on this OTSRC Dev2, right click and disconnect and connect. Now you can see the table here. Are you seeing under tables? Are you seeing a table called students under this? Yes, please. Clear about it? Yes, guys. So a table is created. Now, so how to create a table? This is how you need to create a table. Create table, table name, and you have to create like this. Next, we created a table, correct? We created a table like this. Did we create a table? Now, how to see what are there in the table? How many rows available in this table? How to see? You have to write select. You have to write select star from table name. How to see the records from a table? Select star from students, semicolon. Now execute this. You got empty table. See? Did you get the empty table, please? Student ID, student name, student marks, city, state are the column names, and we don't have any records in the table. Select star means what? Select all the columns, or you can select the columns individually if you want. You can write like this also. Instead of writing star, you can write select student ID, comma student name, comma marks, comma city, comma state from students. Either you can write star or you can write all the names. Understanding? Either you can write star, both are same. If you execute this, you will get the same result. If you execute this, this will also will give the same results. Understanding, please, everyone? Are you clear, guys? Understood, everyone? Yes, please. Select student ID, comma student marks, city, state from students. We do not have any records in the table. Now what to do? We need to insert these records in a table, correct? Do we need to insert the records in the table? Yes, please. So how to insert the records into the table? You see, please, insert into, you need to write a insert statement, insert into table name, insert into table name, and write the column names, all the column names, insert into table name, okay, insert into students, all the columns in the bracket, space, values, space. Now write it. What is student ID? 10. 10 is the number, correct? What is the data type of student ID? What is the data type of student ID? Everyone, please. What is the data type of student ID? Number. The data type of student ID number. So you can write directly number, any number you can write 10, 20, 30, 40, 0, anything you can write. Next, student name is a varchar. Varchar2 data type means you must write in the quotes, single quotes. You must write in the single quotes. For varchar2 data type, student name is a varchar2 data type. You must write in the single quotes. Raj, comma. Next, student marks. Student marks 100, comma. City. City also varchar. So you should write in the single quotes. Yes, please. Comma. State. State also varchar. You must write and close and semicolon. Understanding, please? How to insert the records in the table? Insert into table name and column names, all the column names, values. The first one belongs to first column, student ID. Raj belongs to student name. 100 belongs to student marks. Bangalore belongs to city. Karnataka belongs to state. Clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. Now you select this and execute. What it has got? One row inserted. What we got, guys? One row inserted. Now how to see that row? How to see that row? Whether inserted or not? How to see that row from a table? I have inserted a row. How to see that in the table? How to see that in a table, please? Select star from students. Execute this. Select star from students. You see, please? You got it? One record. 10. Raj. 10 is student ID. Raj is student name. Marks is 100. City is Bangalore. State is Karnataka. Yes, guys? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Did you understand? Clear about it? Suppose I want to insert one more record. If you want to insert one more record, take this and copy here. Take this and copy here. Yes, please. Now you change. Student ID I want Ram. Copy paste. How to copy paste? How to copy paste, guys? How to copy? Just select this. Control C, Control V. Now change it. 20 Ram. 20 Ram. 200. Yes, please. Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Chennai and Tamil Nadu. Yes, please. Yes, guys. Then insert this record. Execute. One more row inserted. Suppose you want one more row. Yes, please. I want 30. Ramya, 300. Yes, please. Yes, guys. Yes, 300. Then what? 300. How to change only state we'll see later. First try to understand, please. First try to understand this. 300. Mumbai. 300. Mumbai. Yes, please. And then MH. Okay. Next. 40. Divya. 40. Divya. 400. Okay. Hyderabad. Hyderabad. And TS. Now execute these two at a time you want. Now see, please. Check, please. We got 4 records. Did we get 4 records, guys? These are all the student IDs. These are all the student names. These are all the student marks. This is all the city. This is all the state. Okay. So we have created a table and we inserted the records into the table. Correct? We have created a table and we have inserted the records into the table. Once we insert the records into table, what we have to give? Commit. What we need to give? Save the records into the table. How to save? By using commit statement. By using commit. What is commit means? What is commit means? Save the records into the table. If you don't give commit, these records will not save into the table. Understanding, everyone, please? So what we have done? We have created a schema and we have created a table and we have inserted the records into the table. We have inserted the records into the table. Understanding, everyone, please? Did you understand how to create a table? How to insert the records from a table? How to save the records to the table? Are you clear, please? Everyone, we'll create one more table now. One more example we'll take. We'll create a table called EMP. We'll create a table called EMP. In EMP, I need 5 columns. EMP ID, EMP name, salary, department ID, department name. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted in my table. Okay. So I need 5 columns. Now data types. EMP ID should contain maximum 5 digits. E-name can contain 100 characters. Now salary number 7,2 or decimal 7,2. You can give decimal 7,2 also. Either number 2 or decimal 7,2. What is 7 comma 2 means? What is number 7 comma 2 means? The total numbers will be, the total number of digits should be 7. Comma 2 means before 2 digits, dot should be there. Understanding, guys? Everyone? What is number 7 comma 2? The total numbers it will accept is 7 digits. Before 2 digits, number should be there. What is number 5 comma 3 means? What is meant by number 5 comma 3? What is meant by number 5 comma 3? Everyone, guys? Guys, are you there? Please reply. What is number 5 comma 3? Total 5 digits. Total 5 digits. Dot should be there before 3 digits. Dot should be there before 3 digits. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? What is number 8 comma 2? Total 8 digits. Total 8 digits. Before 2 digits, dot should be there. Total 8 digits. Before 2 digits, dot should be there. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Did you understand, guys? So that is how you can write. Now, I am creating a table called EMP. How to create? Please observe how to create a table. Create table EMP. Open and close the bracket. Now write it EMP ID, number of 5, comma, E name, varchar 2, 100, comma, salary, number 8, comma 2, number 8, comma 2. Yes, please. Understanding, everyone? Salary. Next, DEPT ID, number 5, comma, D name, varchar 2, 100. Yes, please. This is how you can create a table. This is how you should create the table. Understanding, everyone, please? Are you clear, guys? Create table EMP. EMP ID should be 5 numbers. E-name can be maximum 100 numbers. Salary should be 8 numbers maximum. Before 2 digits, dot should be there. Department ID maximum 5 digits. Department name maximum 100 characters. Created. Is my table EMP created? Okay. Now what to do? See now in the left side, disconnect and connect. Disconnect the schema and connect. Are you seeing the EMP table here? Are you seeing EMP table, please? Understanding, everyone, guys? EMP table. Now what you have to do? What you have to do, please? Okay. What is the maximum value? Number will take maximum 38 digits. Number data type will take maximum 38 digits. Varchar 2 can take any character, any number. Maximum it will take 35,000 something. Okay, that we'll see later. Now, you need to, once we create a table, what we should do now? Once we create a table, what we should do, guys? What we should do now? Insert. Write the insert statement. Insert into all the column names. Insert into all the column names. What are the column names? Employee ID, E name, salary, department ID, D name. Yes, please. Values. Values. Yes, guys. Values. I want EMP ID 1, comma, Raj, comma, salary, suppose 25,000 dot 1, 2, comma, next department ID 10, department name software. Yes, guys. Can I write like this? Insert into EMP, insert into table name, insert into table name, all the column names, values, and the first one is EMP ID, Raj is E name, 25,000.12 is salary, 10 is department ID, software is D name. Same way, insert one more record. Okay, insert one more record. To RAM, you can give 5,000.25. Okay, 20, and then marketing like this. I can. Next, insert one more record. 3. Yes, please. Ramesh. you can give 300.13, okay, 30 admin. Yes, please. Next, insert one more record. Yes, guys. Insert one more record. 4. Yes, guys. Okay, 4. Ramya. Okay, you can give 10.1, 10.140, and this is HR. I'll insert one more record. Yes, please. Employee ID 5. Adya. Yes, guys. I'll insert 2. My salary is 2. Just 2 also I can insert. And I will insert 50. And this is, yes, please. What is it? Finance. Yes, guys. Like this. Now execute all at a time. Select all. Execute all at a time. So all the records inserted. Once you insert the records, what you have to do? Once you insert the records, what you have to do? Commit. You have to save. Commit. You have to save the records. Once you insert all the records, you have to commit. Now see the records from a table. Select star from EMP. Yes, please. Select star from EMP. Are you seeing it, guys? Yes, guys. You see this? So, understanding everyone? 25,456 it will not show. You have given 8, 2. Before 2-digit dot should be there. If you give 25,000.456, it will not work. It will not work. Before 2-digit dot should be there. Now see, guys. So you see here, please. Salary can be 25,012, 5,000.25, 3,000.13, 10.1, or 2 also can be possible. Understanding everyone? Are you clear, please? Did you understand? Everyone, are you clear, guys? Clear about it? Did you understand, please? Are you clear? Did you understand how to create the table and how to insert the records into the table? Did you understand, please? Everyone? Are you clear? So just wait 1 minute. I'll come back. Please wait 1 minute. I'll come back. Just wait 1 minute, please. Yes, guys. Okay. So did you understand, please? Did you understand, everyone, how to create the table and insert the records into table? Yes, please. Now, see, varchar, see, number data type will contain only numbers. It will allow only numbers. But varchar2 data type, it will allow characters, that is strings. It will allow numbers. It will allow any special characters also. Special characters also it will allow. Okay, for example, see please. Suppose you see here, you take this and execute. I can give Adya dash 50. Yes, please. I can give Adya dash 50, finance star, like this I can give. Insert. Is it inserting? Yes, please. See here. Is it taken dash 50 also? Also, I can give like this. See, please. I can give just a number, just 100. For e-name, I can give, but whatever you can give, you want to give in single quotes only. So I can give here finance dash space admin space. You can give anything in the single quotes. You have to give. That's it. You have to give in the single quotes. Like this also it will be. See, please. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? So varchar can contain characters, alphanumerics, numerics also, but whatever you write, you should write in single quotes only. You should write single quotes only and commit. Are you clear, please? Did you understand, everyone? Did you understand, everyone, please? Are you clear? Yes, guys? Clear about it? Okay. Now, so what and all we have seen till now? How to create a schema, how to create a table, how to insert the records into table, how to see the records into the table, and how to save. Now, next one is how to see the structure or definition of a table. How to see structure or definition. Structure or definition means you see there is a command called DESC. DESC table name. Execute. So these are the column names we have. So this is called structure or definition of a table. So whatever we created, if you want to see employee ID number 5, e-name varchar 200, salary number 8,2, DPT ID number of 5, d-name varchar 200. This is how you can use DESC, or you can write describe also. Describe EMP. Understanding, guys, everyone? How to see the structure of a table? Did you understand, please? Did you understand? Or DESC students? You can write DESC students. Execute or describe students. This is how you can write a command to see the structure or definition of a table. To see the structure or a definition, you can write like this. Are you clear, please? How to see the structure? Did you understand, everyone? Did you understand how to see the structure of a table? Yes, guys. Next. Once it is done, the next one is, suppose, see please, if you want to see how many records in a table, you see this please, you see this. Now how many records in this table? 4, correct? There is a line number 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to see the count of the record, you can write select count of star from students. Select count of star from students. See please. What is the count it is showing? 4. If you want to see the count of employee table, select count of star from EMP. Yes, guys. Understanding? How to see? There is one more method. Select star from students. You can see here only, or right click count. Are you seeing count rows? Right click on this data, count rows. 4 rows. Okay, you see? Select star from EMP. You can write select star from EMP. Execute. See please. Are you seeing the count rows as 7? Okay. Or you can directly write select count of star from EMP. It will show the number of records in a table. It will show the number of records in a table. Understanding everyone, please? Are you clear? Did you understand? Clear about it? Everyone, are you clear? Yes, please. Next, once it is done, so what and all we have seen till now? What and all we have seen till now? How to create a schema, how to configure the schema, what are the basic SQL commands, how to create a table, how to see the records from a table, how to create a table by writing create table statement. How to see the records from a table, select star from table name. How to insert the records into the table, insert into table name. How to save the records into the table, commit. How to see the structure of a table, DESC table name. How to see the count of the records from a table, select count star from table name. Now, the next one is how to search a record from a table, how to search or filter, how to search or filter the records from a table, how to search or filter the records from a table. For example, you see please, I have EMP table, correct? Now, suppose I will insert the records again in the EMP table. I will insert these records again. One more time, 2-3 times I'll insert. And I'll change this. Yes, please. I'll change this. Just a second. Okay, change this. Yes, guys. Yeah. Now see, please. How many records in my table? I have 42 records, correct? I have 42 records. Now what I want, I want to see all the records whose employee ID is 1. I want to see all the records whose employee ID is 1. How to write? Select. How to write? Select. You can write any case, please. Select star from table name where EMP ID equal to 1. You have to write a where condition. If I want to see all the employees whose employee ID is equal to 1, what to do? You can write it like this. Now see, is it showing all the employee IDs whose employee ID is 1? How to write? Select star from employee where employee ID equal to 1. Now, for example, I want to see all the records whose department ID is 20. I want to see all the records whose department ID is 20. How to write? Select star from EMP where DEPT ID equal to 20. Yes, guys? Understanding everyone? I want to see all the employees whose department ID is 20. Select star from EMP where department ID equal to 20. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Guys, understanding everyone, please? Are you able to understand clearly? Are you able to understand clearly without any confusion, please? Yes, guys. Now next. Okay. Now, suppose I want to see all the employees whose name is Raj. I want to see all the employees whose name is Raj. Now in the table, if you see the table, Raj is in capital letters or small letters? Raj is in capital letters only, correct? So now you need to write like this. You need to write select star from EMP where e name equal to while you writes in the single quote, you have to write the same case. See, please, Raj is in uppercase only. Yes or no, please? So you have to write in uppercase only. Whatever there in the single quotes, the same case you should write. Whatever there in the table, you should write the same. Suppose if you write the different case, it will not give. See, if you give small Raj, it will not show any results. Understanding? Everyone, guys? You able to understand, please? Everyone, I want to see all the records whose employee name is Raj. So select star from EMP where E name equal to Raj. Okay. For example, I want to see, suppose I'll insert one record. I will insert one record here. Name is Shanti. Okay, capital S-A-N-T-H-I, right. Now see, suppose I want to see all the records whose employee name is Shanti. What to write? Select star from EMP where E name equal to whatever the case in the table. What is the case in the table? See, please. EMP table, correct? In the EMP table, Shanti is in first character is capital, all characters are small. So the same thing I am writing here. See, please. Is it showing now? Is it showing, please? Understanding, everyone? So while you are writing in the single quotes for strings, for numbers, you no need to write single quotes. For strings, you need to write single quotes. Okay. Now next, suppose I want to see all the employees. Okay. For suppose my employee name is 123.456. My employee name is 123.456, for example. Okay. See, please. There is an employee name called 123.456. I want to see all the employees whose employee name is 123456. What to write? Select star from employees where E name equal to 123.456 in the single quotes because E name is varchar2 field. Now see, you got it? You got it, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, guys? You able to understand? Clear about it? Yes, please. Okay. For example, I want to see all the employees whose salary is greater than 10,000. I want to see all the employees whose salary is greater than 10,000. Where salary greater than 10,000. Yes, please. Execute it. I want all the salaries whose salary is greater than 10,000. Suppose, for example, in my table, I have few salaries of 10,000, for example. I have few salaries 10,000 also, for example. Yes, please. Now see, guys, what I am giving? Select star from employees where salary is greater than 10,000. It will show all the salaries greater than 10,000. If I give greater than or equal to, it will show the salaries of 10,000 also. It will show the salaries of 10,000 also. Just wait, please. Just wait. I'll give the 10,000 salaries. Yeah. Now please observe. Select star from EMP where salary is greater than or equal to 10,000. Greater than or equal to means all the salaries whose salaries are equal to 10,000 and greater than or equal to. Understanding? Everyone, please. Are you clear, guys? Everyone understood? Clear about it? Are you clear? Suppose, for example, I want to see the employees whose salary is less than 10,000. Less than. Check. Now these are all the salaries whose salary is less than 10,000. If you give less than or equal to 10,000, it will show 10,000 also. It will show 10,000 also. Understood, please? Are you clear, guys? All the salaries greater than or equal to 10,000. Clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Okay. Now, for example, I want to see whose salaries are not equal to 10,000. I want to see whose salaries are not equal to 10,000. What to write? Whose salary? How to write not equal to? You have to write exclamatory equal to 10,000. Whose salary is not equal to 10,000? See, please, there are no salaries of 10,000 here. Understanding, everyone, please? Everyone understanding? Are you clear, guys? How to write the not equal to? Not equal to means exclamatory and equal to symbol. One more way also you can write. Not equal to can be written as greater than, less than. This is also not equal to. See, this will give how many records? 46 records. This will also give 46 records. This is also not equal to. This is also not equal to. For example, see please. For example, I can give like this also. Where not salary equal to 10,000. Now, these three statements are same. Either you can give salary not equal to 10,000, salary less than greater than means not equal to 10,000, or salary not salary equal to 10,000. Understanding, guys? Are you clear? How to search particular record or particular records from a table? You can write a where condition. What do you have to write? You can write a where condition. Are you clear, please? Everyone understanding? Are you clear? Yes, guys. Understood, everyone? Clear about it? So, what we have discussed, if you see here, we have discussed what are the DDL commands we have? DDL, DML, TCL, next DQL. DDL commands are what? Create, alter, drop, rename, truncate. What are DML commands? Insert, update, delete. Insert, update, delete. TCL, commit, rollback. DQL, select. In this, what we have seen till now? We have seen create table statement. Did we see create table statement today? Did we see insert statement? Did we see commit? Did we see select? We have seen these today. Now, next command is alter command. Next command is alter. In alter, there are 4 types again. Now we are discussing a command called alter. In alter, there are 4 types. Alter table, table name add. Yes, please. There are alter table, table name drop. Alter table, table name drop. Alter table, table name rename. Alter table, table name modify. There are 4 types in alter. Okay. What is alter? We'll see now. What is alter? We will see now. Did you understand all these things, please? We have seen create statement, insert statement, commit, select. We have seen DESC. We have seen count of star. We have seen where. Yes, please. These and all we have seen. Okay, now we will see alter command. What is alter command? For example, I have a table, correct? For example, I have a table. Select star from students. In students table, how many columns are there? In students table, how many columns are there? How many columns are there in students table? 5 columns are there. There are 5 columns. Yes, please. There are 5 columns. Okay. Now, in these 5 columns, suppose see please, these are the structure of a table. This is the structure of a table. Yes, please. Student ID, student name, mark, city, state. Okay. Now, I want to add 1 column into the table. What I want to do? I want to add 1 new column to the existing table. I want to add a column called country to this table. I have only 5 columns. I have only 5 columns, correct? I want to add a column called country. What write? Alter table, table name, brackets, alter table, table name, add the column name. What column name? Student ID, number of 5, for example. Sorry, country, correct? Add country, varchar to 100. Yes, please. Understanding everyone, guys? I want to add one column to the table. I want to add one column to the table. Alter table, table name. Add country. See, please. Table students altered. Now check DAC students. You got one column added. You got one column added, please. Now select star from students. You see, please, the country is null. Country is having no value. Country is having no value. Country is null. What is this? It is having no value. Understanding, please? Are you clear, everyone? Understanding? Clear about it? Country is having nulls. Null means no value. Suppose I want to add more than one column. I want to add more than one column to the existing table. I want to add pin code and phone number. How many columns in my table now? There are 6 columns, correct? There are 6 columns. Now I want to add pin code and phone number. How to add? Like this. Alter table, table name, add pin code. Normally pin code will be 6 digits, comma, phone number, comma, phone number, number of 10. Yes, please. Correct, guys? Alter table, table name, add pin code, number of 6, phone, number of 10. Execute. There is a missing. Now execute. There are 2 columns added. Alter table, students table altered. There are 2 columns added. See, please. Is the 2 columns added? Pin code and phone number. Now select star from students. See, please. You got pin code and phone number added. Pin code, country is having no value. Pin is no value. Phone number is having no value. This is how you can add 1 column or 2 columns. If you want one more column, you can write here, comma, n number of columns you can add to the table. Understood? How to add the number of records? How to add the columns to the table? How to add 1 column to the table? How to add more than 1 column to the table? Did you understand, please? Everyone, are you clear, please? Did you understand clearly? Now, for example, in my students table, how many columns are there? In my students table, how many columns are there? In my students column, how many columns are there? There are 8 columns. There are 8 columns, correct? I want to remove 1 column. I want to remove phone number column from this table. I want to remove 1 column from the table. How? Alter table, table name, drop, alter table, table name, drop phone number. No data type required. If you want to remove 1 column from a table, alter table, table name, drop column name. Now check, please. Is the phone number removed? Is the phone number removed from the table? Yes or no, please? Is the phone number removed? Suppose I want to remove 2 columns, more than 1 column. I want to remove country and pin code. Alter table, table name, drop in the brackets, country, comma, pin code. Country, comma, pin code. Execute. Yes, please. Country spelling wrong. Country, comma, pin code. Table students altered. Now check, please. Is the country and pin code removed? Is the country and pin code removed? Yes, please. This is how you can remove the columns from a table. If you want to add a column, not required. Commit is not required. I will tell in the next session. For DDL statements, commit is not required. Only DML statements commit is required. Insert is a DML statement. That is why we have used commit. And the students is a DDL statement. Commit is not required for DDL. Commit is not required for DDL. Understanding everyone? Are you clear, please? Everyone able to understand? Are you clear, guys? Okay. Yes, please. Are you clear? Understanding, please. Clear about it? Just a second. Okay. Now, next one. Okay. Suppose I want to modify the data type. I'll add the records. I'll add the columns again. I will add 3 more columns again. See now, I have how many columns? I have how many columns? I have 8 columns again. Now, I want to change the data type of any column. For example, you see, city, suppose pin code is number of 6. I want to change to number of 20. I want to change the data type number of 6 to number of 20. What to do? What to do if I want to change the data type? Alt table name, modify. Alt table name, modify. What you want to modify? Pin code. I want to modify the pin code column. Number of 20. Understood, please? If you want to change the data type of one column, alt table name, modify. Clear, please? Everyone, is it modified? Is it modified to number 20? Everyone understanding? Suppose I want to change number of 10 to varchar 10. For phone number, I want to change number of 10 to varchar 20. And varchar 100 to varchar 200. 2 columns. How? Alt table name, modify phone number, varchar 2, 20, comma, country, varchar 2, 200. Like this, n number of columns you can modify. Yes, guys? Is it modified now? Are this modified? Are this modified, please? Country and phone number. So this is how to modify. To add a column, alt table name, add. To remove the column, alt table name, drop. To modify the data types, alt table name, modify. But there is a rule for modify. What is the rule for modify? You can change the data type of empty columns only. For example, you see, please. In this, what are the empty columns? In this table, what are all the empty columns which don't have any value? Country, pin code, phone number. Correct? You can change the data type of these 3 columns only. You cannot change the data type of these columns. For example, see, please. For example, you see, student ID is number, correct? I want to change it to, suppose, student name is varchar. I want to change it to number. See now. Select, you see, please, alter, table name, modify. Alter table name, modify. Yes, please. Okay. What I want to change? Student name to number. Student name is varchar. Now change to number. Suppose, for example, try. Column to be modified must be empty to change the data type. Column must be empty if you want to change the data type. Understood? You can change the data type of empty columns only. Are you clear, guys? You can change the data type of empty columns only. If you have already the data, you cannot change the data. Clear about it? Are you clear, please? Understood everyone? Are you clear? Did you understand? Yes, guys. Okay. For example, so this is the alt table name, add, drop, modify. Now I want to rename a column. I want to rename a column. Yes, please. How to rename a column? For example, I want to change ST name to student name. I want to change the column name ST name to student name. What to do? Please see. Alter table name, rename. Yes, please. You can change the Bangalore to Delhi. You can change. I will tell in the next session. Raj, Bangalore to Delhi. You can change by using update statement. I will tell in the next session. Okay. Now please concentrate on alter today. Alter table name, rename. You are right. Column keyword column name, student name to student name. Yes, please. Understanding? Alter table name, rename column, old column name to new column name. Execute. Table students altered. Now see please. Is it changed to student name? Previously it was ST name. Now is it changed to student name? But you can change only one column at a time. You cannot change multiple columns at a time. You can change. Suppose I want to make student ID to ST ID to student ID. ST ID to student ID. You can change it like this. Alter table name. Alter table name. Rename column. Old column to new column. Understood? Are you clear, please? Understanding how to rename the column? Are you clear, please? So we got alter table name. Add the new columns to the table. Alter table name drop. Remove the columns from a table. Alter table name modify. Modify the data types in a table. Alter table name rename. Rename the column names in the table. Did you understand clearly today, guys? So we have discussed all these things today. How to create a schema, configure the schema, what are the basic commands in Oracle, how to create a table in Oracle, how to see the records into a table, how to insert the records from the table, save the records into the table, how to see the structure of a table, how to see the count of the records from a table, how to search or filter the records, how to use alter command. Are you clear, please? Did you understand, everyone? You can alter row values also by using update statement. Suppose you want to change, for example, you want to change Bangalore to Mumbai. You want to change Hyderabad to Goa. You can change by using update statement. That I will tell in the next session. Now, did you understand my session completely today? Is my session is interesting? Is my session is understandable? Almost 1 hour 45 minutes we took. Did you feel boring anytime? Did you feel boring anytime, please? My sessions will be interesting and interactive, and also in these 2 hours, we will learn many things, many new things which you don't know previously. Clear, guys? Now, you have to install Informatica and Oracle as soon as possible. If you have any doubts, if you have now, as I told you, yes, please, as I told you, okay, if you have any installation issues, please WhatsApp to 8105-296858 only. Whoever paid the full fee, yes, please, they will get WhatsApp group access, website access, practice groups. I'll create by tomorrow night, and daily material access. You will get it if you pay the full fee. If you don't pay the full fee, please pay the full fee and get this access. I will send you today whatever I shown you. I will send you through Google Drive. I have shown you today this image. Okay, inserting star you cannot use. Star you cannot use for inserting. I'll send this image and I will send the notes. These notes I will send today's notes. These are the notes I told today. Yes, please. These are all the notes I will send. And also is Excel sheet what I have created. Yes, please. Who will create the tables in real time? I will tell you. Please wait. Either we will create or DB also you can create. Okay. Everyone understanding, please. Clear, guys? I will send these to you. And also, when you go to my website, if you go to Raj Informatica website, materials, Oracle study materials, you see Oracle study materials. In the Oracle study materials, you are seeing Oracle SQL basics. Today's commands, it is there here. I'll send this link also. I will send this link to you. Okay. Yes, please. So you can see, you can read it. What are DDL commands, DML commands, what is syntax, what are the examples I have clearly mentioned here. Yes, guys, I have clearly mentioned. Please go through them. Please go through these. I'll send this link also to you in the WhatsApp, please. Okay. So you understood my session clearly today. Did you understand my session clearly today, please? Everyone, is my session is understandable? Is my session is understandable? Is my English is understandable? Is my English is understandable, please? DBA means database administrator. DBA means database administrator. Are you clear, guys? DBA means database administrator. Yes, please. I'll send the today's recording also. Today's recording will be uploaded in YouTube. Today's recording will be uploaded in YouTube. You can watch. First 2 sessions will be uploaded in YouTube. You can watch it. From 3rd session onwards, you will get individual access in your website only. Okay. Please watch it. Please watch it. Okay. I will send this. And before you leaving the session, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And whatever the today's video once I uploaded, if you while you are watching, whatever you feel about my training, please comment on my videos. Yes, guys, will you comment on it? Whatever you feel on my training, you please comment. So click the subscribe button and also click the subscribe button and also please, okay, please press the bell icon. Okay, and also comment on my videos if you like, and also keep browsing my channel, keep browsing my website rajinformatica.com. Okay, clear, guys? Yes, please. Are you clear?